Were you scared I'd run you into the
Oh, I thought you said I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. I said I'm
I can't move with your feet. Telegram was sent.
What telegram? Why are you getting up my face? Okay.
Did you see the video?
No, she didn't actually.
No, I
Let's
didn't.
go and stop.
I'm fine, turn it off.
Wasn't it?
But you never pulled one over me. You just look low up there. That was close. That was close. You never pulled one over me. Coming in here, spraying perfume around, putting lights on, putting paper shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, come on.
Off.
You set him off to laugh.
Oh, shit, Huntley gave me a telegram.
Who?
What? What?
Chef Huntley!
What the? What was that then?
He said Charlotte.
Wait, where I said from?
Alright, that's so bad.
Oh, come on.
Oh!
On the other hand, you might not be that bad to interfere with. What? There was no possible reason for you to start laughing. I don't know.
Yeah, you.
Please don't. I love you now. Isn't that enough? You guys want too much. I loved you in the past. I forgot it.
You always say that. You loved him in the past.
Please don't. You want too much. Isn't that enough? I loved you too.
Come on.
Please don't. You want too much. Isn't that enough? I love you, and I loved him in the past. But can I love both of you? I can't do this line.
Listen.
I
What? I can.
know.
Can I kiss you goodnight? Is it?
Yeah.
This is it?
Yes, honey. Do you mind opening the door for me while I look up at the stars? Oh, you got the door.
And see.
I'm starting to like lost girls on our first date.
Are you laughing at me? When you laugh, we'll just take it from that line.
Okay, this one we're going through.
Wait, you? No.
Ready?
You read.
Can I ask you a question?
Can we stop?
Hold on. I need a second.
Are you deleting this?
He's still videotaping you, Joe.
You act like such a gentleman.
Just slap me when I get pounds. That won't be necessary now.
Our next scene, also from a streetcar named Desire, is actually one of the most famous, another famous scene from the I don't know what it's from! I said turn it off!
You're not using it anymore.
One more time.
No, you're not using it. I don't care.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
I need to use go on.
No, I'm going. Go on. No, fine. I won't do it.
Okay,
Ready?
no.
Yeah, act but casual. Go back.
No, we're not ready. We're not
Wait a
ready.
minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Alright. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby.
No, that didn't
She didn't
record.
start it yet.
Ready? Yep.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
I did not. Was I doing anything?
Everyone else was laughing. You were.
You have to say go.
Go.
No.
We're gonna win out.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
He's growling.
Okay, we have to delete some of those because they're gonna.
Yeah, what happened from you? Don't
Go. Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Why are you trying to shut up, you stupid dog? Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Why? Self-control? Is that the new thing nowadays?
He's trying to.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my God!
Guys, it's my mom! Is it Dan?
Of course it's there.
Oh, it's my mom. It's important. I'm sorry.
Self-control? Is that the new thing nowadays? For Mr. Nobody from...
So close! So close!
Well, isn't it the dog? The dog just rolled. I just see the thing rolling down. I'm just like, oh my God. Here, while he's gone, delete. We have to delete some of this stuff.
How much
But
time do we have left?
don't delete the funny ones.
Oh, you're still recording. Forgot
You tried to cause a row in my house.
Come on, Jess!
Jess keeps making me laugh.
Come on, what do you do?
You hit me or something, so I was like,
Okay, right? Look forward.
no. Okay, I promise, guys. Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's still recording.
You do this song.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
He's like, go on.
Alright, go.
See?
Minus 250.
Okay, go.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Why are you trying to cause a row in my house?
He's not going to roll out. No, it's not.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Why are you trying to cause a row in my house?
He's not going to roll down. You're laughing.
No, he's not actually. He's not laughing.
He was-
Are you laughing?
Was
He
he
was
He
laughing.
was not laughing. I was laughing.
You were laughing.
I thought this smiled like.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
You're grow up.
Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on. Stop laughing. That's not.
Mr. Nobody from nowhere to be making love to my wife for laughing the hell out of not doing the scene right! Wait a minute. I want to ask Mr. Gatsby a question.
Go on.
Why are you trying to cause a row in my house?
He's not causing around this house. Now you are.
Just have a bit of
Oh my
self-control.
God.
It's